Okay, let's get ready for flight 3. Flaps 1. Breeze should be helping. Okay. Give me just a little bit. Okay. I'm taking off. Okay. Coming over low from the right. Yeah. Okay. Taking off?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. You're clear. I'll be high.
Okay. Yeah, there's a fine line between getting it moving. Pull back, pull back, pull back. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, but you're catching it, you had control. Okay? Yeah.
Did I take off?
Yes, you did.
I did not know that.
Yeah, yep, that's why I said pull back. You were in
Okay,
the air,
coming over
foot off the
low
ground,
from the
okay,
left.
But you're going to run into that high grass because you're only foot off the ground. Okay? That's why I said pull back. Yeah, now you're in. Okay. Again, taxiing, there's a fine line between getting it moving and getting it too fast that it takes off. Okay, ready? You have to pull. Okay. Go fly down. Okay, fly straight down. Pull back. I say back stick on me.
Frank, I got around.
Okay.
Good seeing you.
You as well.
Good seeing you too.
Thank you.
Okay, what I want you to do, you should get
Coming over low from the right. You.
If you've got some time, I'd love you to come out here with you. I can bring my tail dragger and we can...
Yeah. Low from the right. Yeah, yeah. Like anytime. Usually, like I said, usually I'm here one of the weekend days, or both. Like tomorrow, I don't know. Maybe I'll be making a trip back out here. It depends on the weather, and well, hopefully things stay well today, barring a crash today. I got one more pack, so barring a crash.
You're still less than half throttle, right?
I am right now at I'm adjusting, but right now I'm at about 75 to get out of that dive. So you're always adjusting the throttle, like depending on what you're doing. But in turns, I'll either stay the same or increase a little bit. Timer's up. And I'll be setting up to land from the right. Okay. Oh, got a little wobbly there. Whoa. Whoa. I just popped my canopy off.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Is it still on there? Or is it
No, it's still on.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh my God, what the fuck? I just saw where it went.
Flash